Namaskaram to all of you. I am Saji Shyam. I am trying to share an important, very important topic with you all with a brief introduction. Please listen to it. Smitten with love lust, revealing all my loveliness, yearning for my beloved, looking heavenwards, I lay brazen faced and inviting. Please dive into my deep desires, quench my insatiable thirst, make me blossom in ecstatic pleasures, sensing my desire of love. My heart throb rushed down from his heavenly abode in the capricent Airavat in lightning speed as cloudbursts, rain and myriad forms to douse my burning longings as heavenly downpour entering each and every part of my flat, widespread natural pose. Heavenly Cupid whispered passionately into my ear, "Hey nature, my darling, how beautiful you look. Hey, you have penetrated my pulsating fulfillments." Ecstasy bubbling in my abyssal layers, life throbbing inside me. The enchantment in my body form have been rope through which I helplessly watched and taken in my stride. Exhausted, still not contented, destroyed to the core to satisfy your thirst, the oozing tender rivers and canals emanating from my bosom, flowing out of bliss and excitement, giggling and caressing the banks despite your cruel misdemeanor. For the fascinating life springs taking shape inside me, I waited with bated eyelids and sharpened ears for the awesome life ahead. Showering the teardrops of distress and disappointment into my eyes, the rain clouds uttered, "It's time to wake up. Open your eyes." I looked around. Where are my green, lushy fields? Where are the lovebirds that rush to these serene grasslands? Where are my carpeted green meadows? Where did the hidden, breezy, lucid water with its chill of November and December month vanish? My beautiful grounds have been scrapped with the selfish gluttony. Grounds have been dug out, usurped the wild, chased away my flora and fauna. My heart shrinks with anger and agony, feeling dizzy. You, the mirror image of ingratitude, had abandoned with dismay, deposited tons of plastic waste on the roadsides, in rivers, in forests, and even in the womb of the mother ocean. Your act has annihilated millions of dumb creatures. You have not even spared rivers, ponds, or wells. The nauseating worm breeding filth feeding the stray dogs, resulting in their explosive breeding. You are digging your own grave. Each of the plastic waste you dump in my bosom shatter the future generations taking shape inside me. My heart breaks, blunted by your selfish, destroying actions. Hey, you, blinded by your cataracted, selfish motives, allow them to live and lead a blissful life in my bosom. They too are my life souls. We know, along with global warming, plastic waste hazards too are getting and deserves maximum attention. In this prologue, of which we go little deep into female healthcare and hygiene, we shall see what's the relevance of plastic waste in women healthcare and how much our contribution is in damaging mother throughout. Let us look at it with concern. In India only, it is estimated that there are 300 million menstruating women, of which only 35% are able to access and use sanitary napkins. That is to say, if a woman uses 2 pads, averaging 8 pads in a month, on an average 200 tons of plastic waste is generated daily, which is a large and alarming quantity. This endangering plastic waste generation is too heavy for our Mother Earth to handle. It is an unfortunate truth that we mothers are not giving due importance to the damaging factors, even though it is now too late to remember this havoc. but by a small precautionary step by us who are the source of this plastic waste generation, we can overcome this issue. There are a lot of new generation youngsters who are aware of these issues and love nature and environment, which is highly appreciative and comfortable. Their high thinking and concern about the nature is a comfortable reality. This active community in social media like Instagram is introduced by my daughter. From what I understand from these youngsters is that the women generated plastic waste can easily be avoided is another reality. We know that the plastic waste generated is creating a severe crisis on environment which can easily be overcome by us, the women folk, especially when there are no effective steps for its proper disposal or recycling. Dispensing from the source itself is very relevant and practical. Let us find out how to achieve this. So, we will see few eco-friendly feminine hygiene products here. This is a menstrual cup. This is how it looks like. This cup is made up of silicone or latex rubber which can last up to 10 long years. Menstrual cups are available in the market in different sizes according to your need. Let us see what are the advantages of using a menstrual cup over all other methods. The main thing is that this is the best budget friendly option since it can be reused for up to 10 long years. That means it is affordable for each and everybody. And the second one is that since no wastage is produced, this is the best eco-friendly method available. Also, a menstrual cup normally can be worn for up to 12 hours. It allows you the freedom to insert it at home and remove it at the end of the day. Means frequent changing is not required like ordinary pads. One of the most attractive advantages that you can swim while using it. Even they say you can have sex while using it if it is a good brand. Unlike other methods, menstrual cups collect rather than absorb blood, and so it won't dry the vagina. This preserves the healthy bacteria that protect you from vaginal infections and dryness. And one more attractive advantage is that it's very comfortable for those who do sports and other hectic activities. They say they even forget that they are on periods, and even there will be less cramps while using it. While counting on the advantages of the menstrual cup, you have to keep in mind the disadvantages also. The main thing is removal and changing can be messy and can be a problem while traveling and in public places. So it's better to avoid using it while traveling. It may cause vaginal irritation if the cup isn't cleaned and cared for properly. In some people, the material used to make it can cause allergy. So, according to situations, we can switch to suitable options. Next option is the reusable pads. These pads are also made with some absorbents, some fillings like cornstarch, bamboo fiber, banana fiber, etc. to make it leak proof. These pads are also coming in different sizes to cater our needs and also in attractive colors and looks. This is a waterproof pouch given along with this for you to carry the used pads while traveling. Let us see what are the pros and cons of using these reusable pads. We all know that it is budget friendly since it is reusable and less chance of causing skin irritations as they do not contain any chemicals. Also, it is very much eco-friendly. The main disadvantage of using it is that it takes time to wash and dry the pads each time since we are used to throwaway methods. While traveling also it can be a difficult option since you have to wash it. Also it's little bulkier than normal pads, even though while sitting at home it can be one of the best options available. Next option is tampons. Even though it is not very popular in India, we will see what are the pros and cons of using tampons. They are cylindrical inserts that go deep inside the vagina. They are very small in size, and so if you insert it properly, you can't even feel it. One of the main attraction is that they are swim safe. The main disadvantage is that since it is a single use item, it will cost you around rupees 50 per piece if you are going for a biodegradable tampon. Inserting them can be uncomfortable for some people. It can cause vaginal dryness and infections since it is absorption type. When considering and comparing the pros and cons of all these methods, the more user-friendly version and the winner will be these organic pads. Let us know more about it. This brand is Sparkle. My daughter used to buy it online. So let us see what's inside. This one box contains 7 pads and it costs rupees 59. But when considering the shipment cost, it is not practical for the maker to send one piece at a time. So we have to order 4 assorted boxes together, and it will cost you rupees 256 for 28 pads. That means one pad will cost you around 9 rupees. That means whenever you compare it with the ordinary pads available in the market, it is costlier. So what is the solution? If people who can afford start using it, the price will naturally come down and more companies can pop up too. One important fact is that these pads are made as part of Make in India by women entrepreneurs. We are getting a chance to promote them too. Moreover, whenever women are making it, it becomes more user friendly, which is an added advantage. Let us open one box and find out what is inside. This is size large, and all these pads are coming with its own wrappers. And interestingly, they have kept some biodegradable plastic bags inside for disposing used pads. That is very useful for us. So it's very comfortable. It looks like it's very smooth and all. So we will see what are the advantages of and disadvantages. As we discussed, we all know that it is eco-friendly, and these organic pads have an efficient absorbent cellulose core which will keep you dry, and at the same time it protects you from rashes as the material does not contain harmful chemicals. It's more comfortable and smoother than ordinary pads, and also it's leak proof. It's breathable and more comfortable. So whenever we compare the plastic pad and the biodegradable pad, we will see that plastic pads takes 500 years to decompose, while biodegradable pads decompose within 2 years of disposal. That is what they claim. Then the research shows that continuous use of plastic pad cause serious illness like cancer, miscarriages, birth defects in offspring, etc. So it is very relevant in the current scenario to go organic. The only disadvantage of using this organic pad is that it is costlier than the normal plastic pads. Nowadays, different brands are coming in the market like Nuva, Sparkle, Asa, the woman company, P-Safe, Karmeshi, etc. This Nuva brand is done by a Keralite in Maharashtra. You can get that product also online. It is done with so much passion and professionalism. When we look at the cautious approach of living with nature, there are plenty of nature-friendly products coming in the market nowadays. One such example is this bamboo brush. This brush is very smooth, soft and hygienic. Once if you use it, you will never go back to your old plastic brush. I can assure you because I am using it. Many other carefully made products, environment friendly products are also there in the market. We have to support them. We have to support the cause behind to help our environment. When we look in the wider view of our country, in the broader interest of our society, menstrual hygiene education is very much needed so that all women will get the opportunity and get the advantage of using all these menstrual hygiene products, which will change the life of every woman. So I appeal through this, let's hold hands together to spread this message and make our country a better place to live for all, and especially for the coming generations. We should in cohesion say and practice that we care for our Mother Earth. Do you? To strengthen this, I had roped in nature-loving people of our badminton academy located in Chandranagar, Palakkad, chairman, members and the loving kids. If you feel that you should move a little finger for the protection of our nature, who nourish and nurture us throughout, and most importantly, for the survival and benefit of coming generations. If you feel this video has been useful, please subscribe, share, and make this video reach others, thus to spread this message. I sincerely appeal through this. Let us join hands together to protect our environment. Let us love her and care for our Mother Earth. Thank you for watching.